Today I popped into one of the RHS gardens. This one's in Essex, called Hyde Hall. And if I just look around, yes, there's still some roses out. Yeah, absolutely amazing. They still are. On the right, I just look across and we got salvia, still a little bit in flower. But the thing about Hyde Hall is they leave all their seed heads on. And I'll just look, isn't that lovely? I know it's actually raining at the moment, but it doesn't matter. There's still a lot of beauty. You can see the swamp cypress across the pond there, giving their lovely brown colours. Absolutely magnificent trees. And as I walk towards, you'll see that they've got plaited pieces of cornice into the containers to make them more attractive. And as we go forward, just a little way, you can see the lily pond. This was had a bit of trouble a few years ago and was actually stripped out and cleaned out because they had problems with the fish and problems there. Now just look here at the plaited cornice. Now have you thought of doing this in your garden? Because there's something to think about. Look at that. If I stop and you just look at them there, plaited cornice, absolutely fantastic. And it makes you realise how important cornice can be as a plant in your garden, because we take it for granted and a lot of them are just fairly boring in the summer. You know, the normal common cornice, just having a green leaf, and then we've got one with variegated leaf, and then of course don't forget that a lot of them have got really bright orange stems. But just look at that for red, absolutely phenomenal. As I said, seed heads for the birds. A lot of people think that that's what you should do. In moderation, in my opinion. I do like to have quite tidy beds, quite honestly, but it is good for the bird life. And in fact, you can see here, look at those really excellent salvias are still green here. So there's plenty of heads that you can keep an eye on there. And banana, salvias, it's a lovely mix across here. And then we just look at the old house, which of course was the original house here at Hyde Hall, of the farm where it originally started. And the wisterias are still on the wall there, many years old, and the garden has been very much developed since then. And just looking through there, we can see the silver birch. I'll stop again and you can see the birch there, giving again a lovely whiteness against the background of the pines there onto the right hand side. Plenty of things to have a look at here at Hyde Hall. Plenty of colour and plenty of excitement through the winter as well as the summer.